Today I am reviewing the KAMRUI E2N150 Mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with the heart of the system, the Twin Lake-N N150 CPU. This is one of Intel's latest processors in 2025, built for low power consumption and high efficiency. With 4 cores, 4 threads, and a max burst speed of up to 3.6 GHz. It delivers around 30% better CPU performance and up to 40% better GPU performance than the older Intel N100 or N95 models. That means smoother multitasking, faster document editing, snappier web browsing, and even support for light photo editing and HD video playback. All of that comes with a remarkably low 15-watt TDP, keeping things cool and efficient. Pairing that CPU is 16 GB of DDR4 RAM. More than enough for everyday tasks, multi-tab browsing, media consumption, and even light creative work. This system is very responsive thanks to that high-speed memory. And if you often find yourself running several programs at once or switching between work apps, you'll really appreciate this upgrade. In terms of storage, you're getting a fast 512 GB M.2 SSD, which significantly speeds up boot times, file access, and app loading. And if that's not enough, the KAMRUI E2 supports expansion up to 2 TB via an M.2 NVMe PCI 3.0 slot. So future-proofing your storage needs is covered. Now let's talk visuals. This mini PC comes with Intel UHD graphics, supporting up to 4K resolution at 60 Hz via dual display output. 1 HDMI 2.0 port and 1 DisplayPort 1.4. That means you can connect 2 monitors at once and enjoy sharp text, vivid colors, and smooth 4K video playback. Whether you're streaming, editing, or working across multiple screens, this setup boosts your productivity and enhances your viewing experience. When it comes to connectivity, the KAMRUI E2 is impressively well equipped. It features Gigabit Ethernet for stable wire connections, dual USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports for high-speed data transfer, 2 USB 2.0 ports for accessories, and both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth built-in. Whether you're using a wireless mouse and keyboard or syncing with other Bluetooth devices, connectivity is smooth and fast. Physically, the mini PC is small but mighty. With dimensions of just 3.94 inches by 3.94 inches and only 1.42 inches tall, it's compact enough to fit in the palm of your hand or behind your monitor using the included VESA mount. This is ideal for those working in small office spaces or looking to build a minimalist setup. You could even tuck it behind a TV and use it as a streaming box, a perfect alternative to limited smart TV apps. Despite its small form factor, the KAMRUI Essenx E2 features a built-in fan that keeps the system cool even under heavy load, meaning you get stable, quiet performance without any overheating issues. Whether you're on Zoom calls, editing photos, or watching 4K videos, you won't hear a loud fan disrupting your experience. As for real-world use, this mini PC is incredibly versatile. It's perfect for remote work, online learning, home theater setups, web browsing, and even light server duties. It handles Microsoft Office, Zoom, YouTube, Netflix, and Google Chrome like a breeze. If you're a student, digital professional, or small business owner, it can easily be the centerpiece of your daily workflow. It comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, providing a secure, modern operating system with productivity features ready to go right out of the box. It's truly a plug-and-play system that requires no advanced setup. In the box, you'll receive the KAMRUI Essenx E2N150 Mini PC itself, a power adapter, an HDMI cable, a mounting bracket, and user manual. Plus, the product is backed by a 2-year warranty and 24-hour customer support, which offers some nice peace of mind. To sum it all up, the KAMRUI Essenx E2 is a fantastic value mini PC. It offers modern performance, efficient cooling, great connectivity, and support for 4K dual displays, all in a tiny, attractive package. Whether you're outfitting a home office, upgrading your streaming setup, or just need a reliable PC for daily tasks, this one delivers outstanding performance per dollar. If you're thinking about upgrading your setup with something compact but capable, the KAMRUI E2N150 is absolutely worth considering.